Alright, so in this episode of Product Research Series, I'm also using the product discovery tool again, except this time I'm using the keyword function. And I want to backtrace the steps that I use to find this winning product. The product that I found is this drafting table.
What you talking about?
So the drafting table is a table that you can use to basically like what architects use or artists use whenever they're just like kind of drawing at their art table. But how did I get to this in the first place? So let me visually show you what went through in my head in order to find this winning product, right? What I did was I went to search, I did a keyword tool, and I decided to go into the arts and crafts sections. So I was like, I want to find an item that generates anywhere between $20,000 to about $40,000 in reoccurring monthly revenue, right? And I want the average price of the item to be greater than $10. So generally, I don't want the item to be that low of a cost, just cause. And so I just hit view filter results. So I remember scrolling down, and what I like to do is I like to sort by average revenue, right? So I just want to see what the biggest guys are, the biggest players in the game are. So I saw that Transfer Vinyl was on there. It had an ID score of 4.5. Personally, Viral Launch, I don't really like to listen to their idea score. I have a lot of items that have a horrible idea score, but they do really good for me. So I personally wouldn't use that as a 100% metric on, hey, is this a good idea or is it a bad idea? And then the next thing I saw was Craft Desk. I was like, what's a Craft Desk? So I just clicked on this, which is the view on Amazon thing. So I was like, oh, okay. So I got to the page and I understood what a drafting desk was. So the drafting desk, like I was saying, it's like for like artists and people that are doing arts and architecture type of stuff. So I realized the main feature they wanted was like a slanted desk, basically. But I was looking at it and I saw the prices were there, and I did run a Viral Launch. I put it up, used the market intelligence tool that Viral Launch has, and I put up on the metrics. And then I realized that they all sell at a pretty competitive high selling price. So I wanted to see on Alibaba how much like estimated this price could be. I know this item is a bigger item, so the shipping price could be generally a bit high. So when I searched it, I searched drafting desks at first, but then I realized that some of the more popular designs right now with a lower sales rank had a glass table. So I searched drafting desk glass, and then I looked around and to see like what the different prices are, and then this was the same exact model that I was seeing on Amazon. Here, as you can see, there's a couple sellers selling it 109, 119. The guy selling it for 109 has a pretty low sales rank for 1,000, right? Right, and then this one is a little bit similar to another one that I found, but essentially they're all on Alibaba, these exact same products, and you can get these two and compete with these guys. This is why I kind of don't like the product discovery tool that you guys made, Viral Launch, but it's pretty powerful at the same time, right? So this is one way I stay on top of my competitors, and it's just one way I stay ahead in the game. Because one, if your competitors are using this tool, the product discovery tool, and you aren't, then it's gonna take you a little bit longer to find products too, right? If you're not using it. So they're gonna have that disadvantage. But jumping back into it, how did I validate this? Right, so I checked on a couple, right? So this exact one was $34.38. Let's say with shipping, it's maybe like 50 or 60 or so, right? So one of the cool things I do like about the market intelligence tool is that you can just go over here and you can click on the number and you can type in, say 50, right? So it automatically gives you like the unit margin for every single item on inside the list, right? So if you can estimate that, hey, like all these drafting tables are going to be around $50, you can get like an estimated like how much profit you could potentially make on this one, right? So this one would be $17.96 possibly take home after shipping, but this also sells 541 times a month, right? So not bad. So 541 times 17, and I believe if I have the settings turned on, all right, so net profit of that is going to be $9,700, right? So this one item that everyone else is selling could potentially profit you $9,000. Of course, there's other things you want to take in to consideration, like, hey, how can I improve this product? Well, the competitors are already selling the same exact product. Personally, I do sell Me Too products, but at the very end of the day, you always want to innovate better somehow. You either, for like this one, like you can't really do like a multi-pack. I wouldn't put like 2 drafting tables together, but maybe you can add some extra items, right? Maybe there's some pencils, some rulers, or something of that sort that you can add into your bundle to make it just a little more enticing, right? Because you already know this product itself is a big winner, right? And you also know like the glass drafting tables are like a big hit within the space. So like what else like can we really do? So one of the other things is you can look into like the other designs, right? So does this and this look exactly the same, guys? All right, so this one's $39.9, $33 and $39. So let's say with shipping it's like $50-$60, right? So if this item costs $50-$60, right? So say at $50, just gonna make $36 on each one of this. So say maybe it's $60 actually, right? It's not actually that cheap to get, because of all the shipping and the sea shipping you have to deal with, right? So it even goes all the way up to $70. This item still estimated to sell about 700 units a month. That's over $10,000 in net profit, right? Like I'm telling you guys, this is an easy way to generate product ideas. For me, I kind of hate that this tool is coming out because it's making it a lot easier for like everyone to get into the space, right? So because it's easier to get into space, you're gonna want to become a little bit more innovative, right? And for me, what I'm doing is I'm using this tool to really build out my product brand. I'm using it to find other core aligning, basically, products within my niche, right, that I can add to my brand. And that's what I'm using the tool for, right? But at the end of the day, this tool helps me generate so many ideas, and this is only one of the features on the tool. So if you guys want to check it out, I have a link below. It's an affiliate link that gives you a whole free month of the tool off for free.
What? No way.
So go ahead, try that out, and it is an affiliate link. And if you do like this video, make sure you hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm Anthony Bui-Tran, and this was one of my videos about the product discovery tool. Stay tuned, and I'm going to be releasing another video in the product research series.